Okay, so we're going over the OF 2200, changing the bases today. And I want to show you a couple of tips that I show everybody in training. It's pretty simple. Okay, if we come in here, see how the router is horizontal? That way there I don't have to worry about it tipping while I'm changing the bases. So the green lever I'm going to pull first, and you can see how it just falls out. And on the base, you can see these two steel tabs. Where those locate is right here on these two steel bars. Also on here, you can see these four tabs. They're plastic. They line up with a chip deflector here. Okay, so it makes it easy. But here's something even cooler. See right here? You see those rare earth magnets? Got one there, and I got one right there. So what that does is that allows you to put this, and it holds the chip deflector in there while I put the base on. So I'm going to take the base, line up the two tabs in those with those bars, and now your chip deflector spins, and you're ready to route. I hope this helps.